1 of Bostik Waterproofing and Sealants and how to apply them. Tara!
Hi, we're from Bostik, Philippines. So I'm Pau and with me here is Ryan. So we're the ones doing the demos, mock-ups, and presentation for our products in Bostik. So today, our topic for today, actually our product for today is the Powerproof PU-D. So the Powerproof PU-D is a polyurethane waterproofing which is a waterproofing that can be used for toilets, for bathrooms, can also be used for roof decks, mainly for firewalls, and other waterproofing concerns. This product is a polyurethane, so you have the flexibility, you have the crack bridging, which is very important for firewall applications. So this is very easy to apply, no need for mixing, no need for cement, so you only need the product and you're ready to go. So now we will show you how to apply the product. So first, we need to clean first the substrate. So we need to use brush or rag before the application of the Powerproof PU-D. So next would be, we will be doing the first coating of the product. So since this is ready to use, you just need to mix the product before the application. So Ryan will show you how to apply the product. So using brush or roller or squeegee, you can easily apply the product. So normally for the application of waterproofing, it's only one way. If it's horizontal, it's just horizontal. Now the second coating, we will show you later, the second coating should be vertical. It's always crosswise. To ensure good waterproofing capacity, the substrate should be all sealed by the Powerproof PU-D. So after the first coating, we will wait for at least 2 to 3 hours before we do the second coating. So now, we can do the second coating whenever the PU-D is dry. Normally, it's 2 to 3 hours. Again, for the application, remember, a while ago, it's horizontal, now it's vertical. So after the application, we will wait for 24 hours before we do the flood testing. If the application is a firewall, so no need to flood test. The Powerproof PU-D is actually compatible with water-based paints. So whenever you want another color, you can paint over the product. And that's it for us. So thank you again, and again, we're from Bostik. And this is our new product, Powerproof PU-D.
That's all for today. Join us next week for another episode of Ask Angelie. How else can we help you to become a champion builder? DM us on Facebook or email us at mchomedepot@askangelie@gmail.com. Don't forget to join us next week for part 2. See ya!